from race start, female professionals. On your mark. The best starters in the world are right here in the Philippines. Good stuff. Well done, VIPs. Great job. Very handy on the... Ready, Mr. Music. Pump, pump, pump. Of 54 countries represented this weekend in the Philippines. The Filipino team, loud, proud, to welcome our 54 countries racing this weekend. So, pretty Pete, how are you feeling? Give you a wave. Big caps. One person, too tight. So, what the most smart? This part of this circle stage, you see the flotilla of craft out on the boats in the water there. You can always hit the drum, sings and songs. Really does a big atmosphere to IRONMAN 70.3 Lapu-Lapu, presented by Medical Not Part of Our. At the start of your day with moments of aid. Asian, P2, big welcome to you. So zone 2 is our pink caps, but very soon went down towards the start line. The purple caps, the zone 3. Good luck to the tricep team and Mega Wide coming on through as well. Here comes zone 3 to start line. Purple caps looking fantastic. Very pumped and excited.
Be careful, be careful.
Just another reminder as you go into the swing, just to take time. Alright, just walk nice and slow, get to the ship start. Around the corner you can hear the crowd there, the drums getting ran as a lot of atmosphere to the course. The race in Cebu, you go home with great memories. It's one of the best races just in Asia, out the world atmosphere as you ride through the local municipalities.
Go, Foxon!
Alright, the fourth and final zone. We call this zone the party zone. The guys will have a good time. Give me a wave, yellow caps. Give me a wave, yellow caps. Make some noise. Yeah, the best zone so far. Give me a wave, doing your first triathlon today, your first 70.3. Where are you, first timers? There's a few of you there who've got almost 400 running today. Games champion, he is also a bronze medalist at the 2016 Olympic Games. He's a short course specialist doing IRONMAN 70.3. Up to the transition here. Come on, make some noise! Here it is from Taiwan. Give it up for Tung Chung Chan. You'll notice these athletes when they get back to the water, they just, on the water's edge, they just take a couple of steps, they get their land legs back. They make their way up this pretty steep incline from the water's edge. Nathan Dortmund comes on through. This looks like Alicia Wesley, second female out of the water. So now young age kickers coming out of the 1.9 kilometre rope swim, just repeating every swim. It was the first out of the world. He's from South Africa, number 2 for Great Britain was Tommy Fisher. No surprise, the two short course guys out so early. So age groupers, they start at 6:30 this morning.
Pretty Mohan. Tomauki Horiuchi. Judy Esteros. Jorge Toramina. Dennis Rubio. Sigfred Atlau. Dan Blanco out of the water. Marvin Malia. One triathlon, yeah. Slowly but surely.
Go!
Team Firefly, welcome back.
Go! 40 past it.
And keep going, guys. We're looking good. Was a nice swim. Yes, yes.
Go!
Turn right, turn right.
572.
Woo! Go! Go, 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 go! Go!
All right. Oh, big group again. Ano dapat ginagawa?
Go, Sir Jan!
Big group. Mag-ingay!
Family niya ata by ata talaga. Flat, flat. White flat.
May pagawas, flat na yun.
Go, go, go! Go, Idol! Go, Idol! Go, 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 go! Go!
The line. Yeah, you can do that, boy. We got Jake Salvador, Julian Samaha, Pierre Mella from the Philippines, the team BTAC coming on through as well. It is Party Central. Emily Burden, come on Emily. From Great Britain, we found her a bike, well she bought a bike yesterday. Go to Emily.